Welcome, here I've got ASUS Zenfone 7 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera grid lines at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the left corner to this button. When we pick it, we can open the advanced camera settings. Now let's just simply slide a little bit down to the other settings, and here at the third position we have the grid option, so let's tap on it. As you can see, now we can manage this. We can add 3 and 3 grid lines and also Fibonacci spiral with right or Fibonacci spiral with left. Now let me pick 3 and 3 to show you how they look like. Let's go back to the camera preview. And as you can see, we have these lines. This is useful, for example, when we want to use the rule of third in photography or making experiments with composition. Now let's go back to the left corner to the settings. Let's slide again. Pick the grid, and let me show you, for example, Fibonacci spiral with left. And let's go back to the camera. This is how it looks like. Of course, remember that these lines are not visible at the real picture, so when I take a photo and when I move here to the left to this button so we get quick access to the gallery, we can see these lines at the real picture. So the grid lines are only to help us taking better photos, and of course when we don't need them or need the other one, we can tap again to the left corner to get access to the settings, slide down, pick the grid and pick whatever we need or just turn them off. Now let's stay on this, and as you can see, the grid lines in the camera preview have gone. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.